What's up, everyone? This is a special video. It's special because we're not going to do the same old video that we normally do. Talk about the markets. We're going to talk about a specific stock, and that's DraftKings. I think DraftKings could be back. So we're going to talk about it real quick, but we are going to talk about the overall view of the market and what it did. It was down 167, NASDAQ down 24, S&P down 17.38. By the way, I need you to like this video and subscribe. If you want to see more content like this, you got to hit the bell as well. Well, anyway, so the market just had a bummer day, but I actually don't think it was that bad at all because look, I mean, we gapped down, we went down, and then for most of the day, we was trending up. NASDAQ even turned positive, right? And then right around 3 o'clock, the typical sell-off. So, you look at the heat map, and here it is. Sprinkles. I like to say sprinkle in some red, sprinkle in some green, just a little mixture all over the place. So it wasn't really that bad. Amazon was actually up today. Today was a Tesla day as well, but we're not going to talk about that as well. We're going to talk about DraftKings. So let's go ahead and get to it. Man, oh man, you can see all of these drawings. I'm still laughing at this stuff. I was trying to figure this thing out as it was coming down nonstop and vicious. I got the arrow point. I mean, it was just unbelievable. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete all of this because we are in a new uptrend, I believe. And what kind of triggered me off to the stock was two things. An analyst upgrade, which we'll talk about in a minute. And that line right there, you see that line? I was wanting to see this stock cross above that line. I had marked it and I set an alert for it and we got it. We went above it and closed. Now I think it's kind of possible clear sailing. And I actually think we can go all the way to the all-time highs. Got a moving average crossover. I got the 9-day versus the 20-day. That's a good entry point. And the volume. Look at the volume coming in. Right? And just look at the sell-off real quick. Look at this crazy volume. Look at that crazy volume. And you would figure, open this volume chart up a little bit. You would figure the selling would have stopped there, right? We was like almost 3 times normal average volume. No, it kept coming down. It kept coming down. It's just vicious. And then look right here. That was the bottom. That was the bottom. And look at the volume. Kind of weird, right? But it just looks like the selling just stopped. It just stopped. You can see the buying over here and you can see the sellers, they getting anxious. And then, now they starting to take it over. And then right here, right at the bottom, the selling just stopped. And now I noticed this. All right. And I was just keeping my eye on it because I'm thinking that the selling is just going to pick up again, but no, it hasn't, and it actually crossed my target. So let me go ahead and clear this drawing and just kind of look at what we have here. I basically said it all. If you could, if you could draw a line, which I'm about to do, and there it is, man. I think we took over this candle right here. I really think we have a good shot to go higher along with the volume that's right here. It's huge, right? And we can just kind of track our way back up to the highs. All these guys that made the money, including me, is out. They're out, right? We came down. Let me pull up the weekly now. We came like that one. Let me pull up the monthly. Something's wrong with my charts. Let me pull up the daily. Okay, so we came down, clear down to the base of support. I mean, way down here. I had no idea that we was actually going to come down this low when we was up here. Now, when we got down here, I was like, yeah, we coming down here. This is where we coming. And we did it. We touched it. We tagged it. And on the way up, I was too scared to get back in, but I'm liking what I'm seeing now. I am seeing a series, right? A series of, here's your low, draw that line, and here's your next low, and here's another low. So you can see what I'm saying, right? I'm seeing higher lows and higher highs. So I like it. I like it as an entry with this low now. I am just get rid of all that. We can say you could stop out right below that candle right there. So adjust your position size, right? So you don't take a big hit, because that candle is 40. So now what did I do? I actually have a small call spread on from the 40 to 45. I bought the 40, sold the 45, 31 days out. And I also sold a straight up naked put, a 45 put, when the stock was trading about $43. Let me get down to the 5-minute chart here. Somewhere around here, right at the open when it was coming down, I sold a 45 put for about $4.30, right? And it's doing really well. I think I sold this. See, right now it's trading right here to the right. Right now it's trading about 310. So I'm already up $110 on that. And I sold it because I was comfortable in taking a position, right? If it does get a sign. So that's how I traded it. And you can see over here, I got the small call spread right here. And I think that cost me about $230, $250, somewhere around there. All right, so that's how I'm playing it. I'm not all in, even though I kind of want to, because I think that I just think that it's done. I think the selling is done, and I think this run might just be the real deal. Now let's go ahead and look at what sparked this. All right, so here we are. DraftKings gets new $100 price target with a strong market share brand. All right, so two of the best performing online sports betting stocks are sized up with new ratings from Loop Capital. Right, so Loop Capital analyst Daniel Adam initiates coverage on DraftKings with a buy rating and a $100 price target. All right, so he also initiated coverage on Penn National Gaming with a hold. All right, so he likes DraftKings slightly better than Penn National Gaming at this time. So you can see DraftKings up 9% today, up 9%. When is the last time you've seen this stock up 9%? Clear over here when it had an incredible run, right? So we're kind of doing it again, right? So I like the crossover. I like the volume. I like the fact that earnings is out the way. And I like the fact that all these dudes sold, all right? The selling pressure hopefully is over. Remember that DraftKings did do a secondary. All right, and I think that was priced at $52 right there. So expect some resistance right there. All right, so yeah, right there. So I think we can truck up to there, hold on, and then keep trucking up on, up to the new highs. Not like tomorrow, okay? I'm not saying we getting the new highs tomorrow, next week, or whatever. This angle that it's on, that it's putting in, beautiful. Okay, nice 45-degree angle. Actually, that's a 30-degree, perfect degrees. Just go up. Don't go straight up. If it does this, we are going to be just fine. All right, so that's the video, man. We talked about DraftKings today, and only DraftKings. We talked about the market, just being down. But not a bad day still, even though the market was down. I mean, that should have had a huge day on Monday. I mean, come on, can't keep going straight up. So go ahead and like this video. If you like it, subscribe, hit the bell. Really appreciate it. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you want to get into DraftKings. Let me know if you was in it. Let me know if you was in it and you got scared and you chickened out. Let me know if you want to get back in it. Let me know if you was waiting on the sidelines while everybody was bailing. Let me know anything that you know about DraftKings in the comments below. And you can catch me on you can catch me on Twitter at Dre Trades, Instagram at Dre Trades, and right here as well in the comments, Dre Trades too. Thanks for watching. This is Dre. I'm out.